Hey mobsters! Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Shami. Well, technically Dimples according to my YouTube name. But I'm Shami, and where was I going with that? I don't know. We leaving. We leaving, Pookies. We're going. We're packing that suitcase and we're heading out. I probably wonder from a maintenance vlog, where the hell is she going? Because this girl never does all these things back to back to back. So with so much purpose. Like, I was so stressed by Sunday because I needed everything done because I'm leaving on Wednesday and mommy gets her nails done on Monday. So she wouldn't have been able to braid my hair for me if I had waited just one more day, and I didn't want to do it too early so that it was up too quick and one bag of drama. But the point of this vlog is us journeying outside of the country. There's so many, well, I wouldn't say so many surprises, but there's one major surprise which I'm so excited about. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So I can't wait. I have not packed my suitcase. Mommy's all packed and I am just here living life like it's a vida loca. Like, say me not have somewhere to go. But I pack light. I'm a very light packer, and when I pack I don't miss anything. I'm never wanting anything, saying, oh my god, I forget to pack this, I forget to... No, that's not me. Pack very light and I always have everything I need. So yeah, right now I'm about to go to the Cambio to get some US. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so let's go. The dress just come out of the wash. Like, I have proof. All of my clothes that I just took out of the dryer, they're right there. But I finally did it. I finally packed. There's some stuff that still need to go in there. This is kind of like 37 pounds. Cause I have a so I bought this scale. It's like it wrap up now, but when you take off this band, oh my god, I'ma have to show y'all now. I'm in too deep. Hold on. Alright, yeah. So this is the scale. Turn it on there, and you just wrap that around the luggage suitcase and hook it back under it, and you weigh the stuff and it tell you how much pounds you have, so you don't have to go through the struggles of reach at airport and you're probably overweight and don't want to pay the charge, and you just have to take out one bag or something. So yeah, I weighed it and it's 37 pounds. So I'm not doing bad. The only thing left to go in are like my skincare stuff and like my little toiletries, stuff like that. So I did pretty good. I don't expect to come back with any additional weights. Like, it's not like a shopping trip. I don't really need anything. I don't really want anything. Like, I'll buy like, I don't know, say keychain on my thing. I don't know, say me I go buy one keychain and one shirt, we say. Yeah. Me did go there, so you guys will know where I'm going like in a bit, but if you didn't know, I'll be seeing Swan. Woo! I just saw her like what, 1 week ago. It's 1 week since she left. But yeah, I'm gonna be seeing my girl again. But yeah, I'm packed. I have to get up really early because I have to try to find some. I got some stuff to print this evening, but you know it's Emancipation Day, so nowhere is open, so I couldn't print that today. So I'm going to have to wake up really early, or if I'm print that, or going to the airport, and get checked in and stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited for more than one reason. I'm just so excited. My arm hurts. I don't know where my this shoulder been giving me like, I slept on it bad a couple weeks ago and it's just been giving me hell ever since. But yeah, that's why I wasn't too sad that I missed like Dream Weekend, and I'm going to miss your best weekend because I'm not gonna be here. I'm not gonna be here. That's why I couldn't get my elastics changed. I was supposed to go get a tightening like in this week. This week makes 1 month, but I'm not going to be able to do that until I get back. Oh, my jewelry, Jesus, a good thing me look over because I would definitely forget. Oh, and my perfumes, girl, you are lacking. But yeah, I'm packed and ready to go. Alright guys, so it is Wednesday morning. I just finished packing up all my extra stuff. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. I don't think I'm forgetting anything, but yeah, I'm ready. Ready to head to the airport. So yeah, I still have to stop and print the thing first, but yeah, I'm ready. Mommy is ready. Let's go. Why do I keep on doing this? Let's go. Just checked in. The ladies switched our seats beside each other because they weren't such a sweet soul. So we're going to go through TSA now. So me catch you know when we reach Panama. Yeah, that's not our final destination though. I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know I get nasty. No Uber ride at my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. We're here in Tacomen, Panama. Mom's skull. We're trying to find food because we're going to be here for 4 hours waiting on our next flight. So when I reach, she called not too long ago. Ready for show my room and everything. I say, oh wait, some reach no man. But yeah, we're gonna find some food now and then go ease ourselves at our gates.
We're gonna be here for 4 hours as we mentioned, so we'll go buy this. It not hot, but it better than nothing. So we're just gonna go and bounce it and buy one bottle of water. And now we eat this straight to our destination.
Finally on our way to our final destination. Yeah.
Colombiana.
At 11 p.m. we are here.
Lady come down in our robe. I'm stressed out. I'm so stressed out.
So remember all me that's telling us that I'm excited this, I'm excited that. Yeah, I'm excited for come. 1, but 2, if it will come out. That's Caswalan. I bought a camera! I bought a camera. Listen, I will for tears and heartache going at a camera for about 24 to 48 hours. I did very depressed, very stressed, and yes, one catch up in a worldwide tree. You meant camera never come easy. But it's there. So from now onwards, and as long as everything goes well with like the battery and the SD card, I'm going to be vlogging with this because I have my card reader and everything. The jelly set. But my hungry and my back hurting me because guess me because I buy the loaded fries and I did one poop and I couldn't poop in there because the AC was so high. I know my back hurt me.
No, but I can't know what's wrong with me.
And you know everybody I look for we when we buy because it's full of bacon and cheese and ketchup and what. Can walk far for go buy it, you know. Walk far than which part me and you walk the time.
Is a big airport.
People the loaded fries angle belly. Me and mommy told one poop. But anyway, we're gonna check out the place and come back.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so it is Thursday. Why am I still using my phone, right? I encountered a problem. I had this phone, what do I call it? Card reader, and it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. The iPhone updated so where it doesn't allow it anymore. It doesn't allow the footages to be transferred from the card reader to the phone. So until we figure that out, we're using the phone. Because I don't have another Apple device. So yeah, this is the outfit for the day. We're going to this art walk thing. The skirt is really short. I know. I have on tights underneath it. I really want to change it, but every time I want to change it. But yeah, this is it. We're just gonna take some picture. Of course, I'm not wear this because it's like a street we're going. I just take a picture of me of this and then come put on my sneakers. So yeah. So guys, I ended up changing completely. I'm wearing this shirt that I got from Jersey She and the green version to the black shorts that I bought. I still have the bag because also keeping it in there. I'm cold, but I forgot to do it. For change over the bag, so I'm just talking about the same bag. It's an artwork. My body is corresponding, but the bag just isn't. But that's at least our problems. So yeah, Swan is trying to find out where to find an ATM, and then we're going to head to get Sedame. I think I saw it name. And yeah.
Bueno, comida hasta aquí.
Sí, comida rápida, restaurantes buenos.
Inse Swan.
Some have good food here. I'm just looking for.
What Inse?
Say yes. You agree.
Okay.
So all you need to know on is something that just flash it up. Just pick out the keyword and keep it moving.
Mr. People, this one I behave like some Obi man. I don't even know what Obi man get, so much less boy him. So I don't understand. I understand what I didn't been there. Then there ghost and Jamaican been. I'm not gonna lie. I think Jamaica did us. Jesus. Mommy, how you feeling? So how you feeling?
Muy caliente.
Ah! I share will look a translator, you know. I share fear
Spanish dictionary.
yeah. One by the birthday biggie. I want Janko. England up on the other side. The one that's smaller than him. I saw a Jamaican nigga in Colombia.
Oh my god.
Jamaican what?
I'm not going to repeat it.
Such a cool shot, Johnny.
It is.
Let me see.
All your pictures are giving.
Hmm?
All your pictures are giving.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't like my pictures
Nice.
because I feel like I look weird
What you saying now?
in
What?
my face.
You don't feel nice?
No, I don't feel nice, so I don't look nice. I go shut up. But I wait for my food. I'm not from I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. So when the food comes. I just got my drink. It's a limonada tradicional. Oh my! Get you. Alright. Yeah, but anyways, this is just lemonade. But yeah. I swear to God, this something look like one sandwich on the menu. How are this, my boy?
No, I'm saying.
Abami?
After
A Arepa.
birthday them give me last night.
A Arepa.
That wasn't the picture though.
But I want my order.
Oh, you said Arepa. Let me ask her about the year.
So, mommy order.
I know
Or
you
sandwich.
I want a sandwich with the cream.
I'm so tired. I feel so sticky, like.
So, we got. Wanna see them slackness here? Where friends there?
6 again.
And it makes sense, you know.
At least we sit down and wait and this tastes like ground. But we're gonna eat it still. Come.
Okay, so you have chicken tenders.
Okay, so we made it to this spot called Cafe Del Mar. Them say it's like the best spot for sunsets and stuff like that. Sun is supposed to be setting at like 5:30. It's now like 4:30. So I probably could wait. But I tell you, the sun like just the sun not deal with me. I can't tell, so I'm tired. My makeup looking very atrocious at this point, but we move. Where are my people? Taking them on sweet time. Just reached the other step.
Y'all.
This drink is strong and the clouds are blocking the sun. So I can't see the sunset. And that's the whole point of this cafe, to watch the sunset. My pictures today didn't come out cute. They didn't come out how I wanted it to. So I'm not gonna be able to post today.
Mom's over here. It's posting.
Don't have it, man.
It look like you look
I know she did it that much more cool and she the one for going and go sleep. Left with.
Alice. Count on mommy for that. We're starting off today on a better foot. Right, so wake up. We sleep till we wake up. From one, after 1 night, after one body. And we decided that we're gonna come get lunch. And I found this cute spot. The guy came up to me on the roadside with the menu, and I was like, alright, let's go here. And your flashlight on. It's really cute in here. They have like they have like fusion of like Senor. Yes, as I was saying, we're starting off today on a better foot. Our first activity is at 4:30, which is a yacht sunset, and then we're going to go to dinner afterwards. The vlog has been all over the place. Them people, the stop talk so loud. But it is like really cute. I like how they decorate the places here. It's like real cute. So yeah. Mom and them buy a while ago. This is Cartagena, cause she wanted a hat. Why she look so like one mannequin? Mom got one as well. I didn't get any because I don't wear hats. I don't want. More I'm a souvenir for something I'm gonna wear. You understand?
I don't love that, but me wear.
What yeah, I do?
My shape
I got. You guys, I don't know if you know, but I've been wanting burrito tacos for so long, cause I see them on TikTok, and I'm gonna get it. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'll show you guys. One thing, busybody, so she just come and some look a pig. Backside, man. But yeah, I'll see you guys when the food is here.
I don't want your mama, she not drink the tea from man. Like, she don't know it's a vacation with the pan. You don't drink tea, you wake up drinking liquor. This is so strong. This is so strong, guys. Yeah, man. Can kick. Oh, liquor.
And so I got tax taco mania, taco fest. I think these are the birria tacos, and then I got some nachos on the side. Girl, it looks like it's giving. I can't wait to taste this. Alright, let's try this one first. Let's try this. This one. And that's what I've been looking for. Huh? I just have to say I got the best thing at the table. I got the best thing at the table.
Someone up in front of
I don't get a napkin.
them.
Guys, I don't eat shrimp like that, so I don't really like the shrimp one. But as you can see, yeah, one she not like it. She murdered that. Hey, you're them coffee. I full, my belly full enough. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This is the best thing I've had since I've been here.
May I look for something? I like this.
Yeah, I like it.
May I eat it and I love like
And right now, I just feel like it want to lick me.
Sleep till late today. Till late.
No, not in the sense of sleep. I just feel lazy. But we have to go and get ready. Yeah, I got to Cambia to change up my money because I bought US to come here. And they scammed my ass pretty early on into the trip. Not even being here for 30 minutes, I got scammed. Taxi man charged me 40 USD from the airport to the hotel. You know how much? A 50 US? 200 toes a place. Yeah, so man, I just had for like 180,000. The man going with a big food.
Yeah, because most people here are like 50, 50. You can get up on 50.
Yeah.
Yo,
This is about 20. And the man could party. So I'm gonna change up my money. I gotta change up my money.
And I'm very bad, so there wasn't anything to take.
Some things that man never crash through the night, you know.
What are them there? Them not the worst than them make a tax.
Yeah, I gotta do that and then go get ready for the sunset yacht thing. Yeah. Man, I don't close, but we're gonna make some shit. Man, I don't know why the trip are going. I'm not going to my field farm. I don't know, I'm gonna post one picture. One picture I have to post today.
Yeah, for sure.
So, I'll see you
But the
guys.
picture them look good, you take first, you say, you have to stick up with it.
The location, I don't think it's giving.
So that's good. You can't wear it back in
I go wear it, but
No, you're not sure.
But yeah. So we went shopping. I'm gonna turn this way. I'm gonna show if you like beer makeup and look black. And I actually didn't have an outfit for the yacht because I didn't know we were going on a yacht. So I went and I bought something. I bought this green bikini set with a cover up. Why you buy that one day?
Because it was more neutral.
It looked like grandma sitting. So what? Look, show them.
No.
Show them.
No.
We shall go with that.
show them this something. Don't make sure me overboil them out. That's what she say.
It's more neutral. I don't want to color bright bird sitting.
Okay, girl. You know what, mommy and sister come and buy one piece of that. And me I get panar case.
Come on, try on something. Come on for that and try on something. Let me see it. No.
I'm gonna try on
We're looking
the.
at that right now.
You know what? I don't feel like it. I'm gonna try on this and yeah. I get my keychain and all of them lovely stuff. I got a water bottle. It's so cute.
So nice.
So cute. But yeah, I'll get into this. So we came back from lunch a hot minute ago. This is what we buy at the store right around the corner. Right this yeah. And this is what Sloan is wearing. We're going to the Yacht sunset. And that's what Mom's calls wearing.
Oh, my outfit go with the sunset. Like,
It does. I also bought a fan to wear with this outfit, and I'm going to be wearing shades because I'm not wearing any makeup because it's gonna be hot.
full of sunscreen right now.
Sliding in sunscreen right now. But yeah, we're supposed to leave at 4. We're supposed to leave 4:30 or be
No,
4:30.
we were supposed to go down probably.
No.
No, what time now?
So yeah, I think the bus is going to take us. So yeah, I'm just wearing my Bridget's with this, and them give one little free something at the gift store because we buy all the things. All the box. But yeah, this is me. We're here at the dock. About to go on the sunset yacht. I think that's what we're going on right there. So yeah, hopefully we get to see this. Hello, me is Nina Tab. And I'm cute. Many people start with this.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. You go bow for the result. Nothing to discuss. Cause I'm the
Right, big jump from the yacht. So we're going to dinner now at this bougie place. This is my outfit. Put up the hair, put on some red lips. This is how we're looking. Shoes on fix. Hold on, give me a second here. This is the bag. This is everything. So, yeah. This is what I got because the menu was limited. This one got a burger with spicy potatoes. Mommy got the same thing as me. So let's see what it's giving. And I feel like I'm going to get something to go. More than likely I'm going to get a burger to go. So yeah. My son go to the club, you know. And so people not used to nothing. Where my son go? Club or restaurant? My kind of tipsy people.
French 75.
I had 2 French. Y'all want my script? Stop do that. Me don't want to repeat what I say. Chop. Anyway. One girl sprinkle water in my back on purpose. Because them not dress up and them just a chat with the whole time. With like everybody just a chat with the whole time with them in the club. But what me I say is me I take off my boot.
Come again.
The restaurant. No man, my tipsy for you man. You don't know what tipsy mean, you're going to know what tipsy mean. Anyways, we I go club. But me I take off my ears and so on. I play ear and I say me not play the ear and get this ear because we wake up early morning for go mud bath and my body can't function same way. I feel like because we're only 2 days in, there's no reason I should feel mashed up by the second day. So one hour day them boys in transit because someone got here from early and we reached late in the night, I was gonna say. But Jesus Christ, I feel like for talk. If I get chop up, I'm so sorry. But I'm more tired. I'm tired. I'm so tired. What year is it? Jesus Christ, how much shoes am I gonna put on you now? The outfit is giving office by day, taboo by night. I don't know what shoes to put on. The other one sneakers, ma. After sneakers are revolt. Mommy Sheen, you come to the club?
I don't even know. Feel like I'm going to sleep.
Boy, sometimes in life we have to understand that mommy is a big woman at the end of the day.
Oh my god.
Come back and tell the people and that.
Mommy I reach one more decade January. She a real big woman, so probably she have to load that one, yeah.
You want to come?
What you buy?
She said she want to go sleep, and she said
You
she.
want to sleep? You know, could I sit in her face?
Yeah, I could have sleep when I for true, no.
No, and then while I'm on back. No, she's stressed out when I time.
Just set the alarm.
Just say, I don't really wake up when I time to wake up.
Yeah,
What time for each my bath?
9 o'clock.
Oh.
So if we wake up by 7:30.
So late?
So early? What?
What time you
At
want to wake
9
up?
o'clock over.
So what time you want to reach? What time you
Can
want
we
to wake
go
up?
8 o'clock?
No.
At 9:30, them are
Me take a good 15 minutes to bed, you know.
When did that family?
My dirt.
Hold on there. What time do you want to wake up then?
So you're tired? You don't
So one look like Shensia.
Yeah, the way on that about what time you want to wake up. When you picture the face 9:30 and you want to wake up 9 o'clock.
What?
Mommy, what is for your face?
Nobody said they want to wake up 9 o'clock for reach over 9:30.
said.
First of all, we're supposed to reach at the place 9 o'clock, and I said wake us up at
Go sleep.
7:30. You're ignorant, dude. The French 75 make you ignorant. Room ram said we are going to the room. Them not like me, but I mean, nothing. What's one? Wait, let me find the song. Yeah, like I got to Anna Joe. Chicken and wrap combo. It's taxing no. Yeah, and I go is a platinum. And yeah, wait, that's what she I have a bob, and if you buy a bag, I give you Guyana. Swan, but take a next step. Then get a text set. Swan, seriously? Yeah. Oh, you do good in that school. Oh, you forget the something already.
I don't remember nothing. Leave me alone.
This ride is very bumpy. Bumpy ride.
Guys, we just left the mud volcano, which was terrifying for me, by the way. I'll insert some pictures on the screen. And yeah, dirty up.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Yeah, where I don't stop. I want to sleep so bad. So bad. How you feeling, Swan? How you feeling, mommy?
Hungry. You hungry?
Yeah, hungry.
Yeah.
Hungry.
You're not hungry?
No, I think she doesn't say she's more tired than hungry. I'm hungry.
No, I'm not really tired.
You say you had a full night stress, no? Take at go club last night and mama was like, I'm gonna go to the hotel. So
Good morning, blessed name of Jesus. Today we are going to a beach club. It's called Bora Bora. It's an island. We're running late. We're running real late, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Our nights are late and our mornings are early, so that kind of mash me up away, but we're gonna make it. So I'll see you guys. We have to go to this dark place to go on a boat to go to the island. So when we get there, I'll come back to you guys.
Capture my soul. I'ma get over so. Make you one more. Yeah, yeah. Sexy love, what she need for yeah, yeah, yeah.
The girl with the tightest.
with that we come 1 hour from which part with the by water and the place still no look breeze, no look nothing. Look one swan, like them take a bucket of water and dash for now. Look on mommy face, put a blind mommy. My edge is gone, the ear of the catch up. Jesus!
Yeah, yeah. Shorty got a lot in her bucket list. I give her number 1, she need a bucket quick. And when we done, she feel me like a majesty.
Not gonna lie, the boat ride over back to the dock was too crazy. Took me start prayer, me asked Jesus about 3 times for forgiveness, cause me think say boat a capsize.
Hello, China.
The man, him listen to TJ before him start drive the boat there, cause as alone drift the man and drift the boat. I come go wash off my salty body. I'm look at my head look like it not come from morning.
You look like you're so funny.
Stress out. I got beard. I got beard. So we're heading to dinner. It's the same day that we went to Bora Bora, by the way. What?
One Del Mar.
One Del Mar.
But wait, no. Cafe Del Mar. This is something so
Right. Yeah, so we're heading to dinner.
Well, the shrimp never bad still.
Heading to dinner. And I'm looking forward to that because I am hungry.
Yeah.
Which black shoes? By the way, yes, the braids came out because they were fuzzy and they weren't going with the vibe. So I just quickly extracted those last night. And I'm now wearing my hair. My hair did curl up as I did see like this morning, but Bora Bora, the heat, the salt water, the boat ride with the So this is what we're working with now. It still looks, you know, I only did this with a comb and one spongy, so it looks pretty good for what it is. But yeah, I'm about to get dressed, I think, and then we're gonna head out. Alright guys. But no, last time when I see me in a makeup and I tell them about how I'm going to do this, that, and the third. But did not ever really go as expected tonight. But guess what? This is where I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed editing it, so I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, I'm tired. Yeah, you tired, son?
Yeah, I'm going to sleep.
Mommy, tired? Them tired not sound convincing. I'm tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So stay tuned until then. You know the code. Go and pick up on yourself. Go and bed. Go and keep on yourself clean. And I'll something. And I'll see you next week, Monday.